Hello everyone. Let's start the second part of the basic concept. It is the final part of the basic concept. Okay. Previous class what we have discussed exactly. We discussed the what is the pattern of the paper and what is the concept covered in the paper and what is the income tax act, what is the how to read the section and what is the proviso and how to interpret the proviso and where from where from which date onwards income tax applicable to you, and next applicable to the either India or not India, what is the difference between circulars and notification, everything we are discussing. Now I'm going to discuss the tax rates applicable to the companies. And okay na sir, tax rates. Sir, in the tax rates consist of two types of tax rates. The tax rates consist of two types of tax rates. One is the general tax rate. One is a special tax rate. Sir, what is a special tax rate? Sir, for example, if you sell the any equity shares listed in the stock exchange, the applicable tax rate is 10% in excess of 1 lakh. Okay, 112 long term capital gain 20%, 111A short term capital gain 10%, 15%, short term capital gain 15%, winnings 30%, winnings card games are 30%. Okay, for companies 115 BAB 22%, 115 BAC 15%. All these rates known as a special tax rate, sir. All these rates known as a special tax rate. This is a special tax rate, guys. This is a special tax rate. Okay, this is a special tax rate. This is a special tax rate. Okay, sir, what is the general tax rate? Sir, the general tax rate is what general tax rate means, sir? What are the tax rates applicable to the individual, HUF, AOP, BOI, normal company tax rate. Normal company tax rate. Normal. This is a general tax rate, sir. Okay. These general tax rates are prescribed in your Finance Act, sir. Finance, not income tax rate, sir. Sir, these general tax rates are prescribed in your Finance Act. Finance Act 2023. Okay, now these general tax rates are prescribed in the Finance Act, sir. Okay. Now I am going to discuss what are the tax rates applicable to the individual, HUF and AOP, BOI in the old tax regime. In the old tax regime, sir. In the old tax regime. Okay, na guys. In the old tax regime. For tax rates of individual, HUF, AOP, BOI, up to 2,50,000. Sir, your net total income, sir, your total income is up to 2,50,000. Your total income is up to 2,50,000. Nil, sir. It reads as a basic exemption limit. It is not known as a. Sir, what is the total income? What is the meaning of the total income, guys? What is the meaning of the total income? Sir, up to 2,50,000 nil. You said that if a total income is up to 2,50,000 is a nil. There is a no tax. Okay. Sir, what is the meaning of total income? 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 Sir, what is the meaning of total income? Means sir, you're doing the salary employment, you get the salary income. You're doing some business, get the PGBP income. You have any house, you get the house property income. You transfer any property, you get the capital gain income. If you have if you deposited the money in the bank account, you get the interest income. All this known as Gross total income. This is known as the gross total income. Gross total income. Gross total income is a 10 lakh. But you have a some chapter 6A deduction. But you have a some chapter 6A deduction. That is a 1 lakh 50. This 8 lakh 50 known as the net total income. This is the total income. Sir, if this 8 lakh 50, this net total income exceeding sir 2 lakh 50, up to 2 lakh 50, there is no. So, okay, up to total income. If your total income more than 2 lakh 50, up to 5 lakhs, is a 5%. Sir, your total income more than 5 lakhs, up to 10 lakhs, 20%. Sir, your total income is a more than 10 lakhs, tax rate is a 30%. This is a tax rate. This is a tax rate for. Sir, this tax rate is applicable for the normal individual and non-resident person also. Non-resident person also. Non-resident person. Normal individual. Okay. So, with total income, sir, for the individual who attain the age of 60 years or more, 60 years or more, who attain the age of 60 years or more, up to 2 lakh 50, up to 3 lakh, tax rate is 0%, sir. So, more than 3 lakh to 5 lakhs, more than 3 lakh to 5 lakhs, your tax rate is more than 3 lakh to 5 lakhs, more than 3 lakhs to 5 lakhs, your tax rate is 5%. So, more than 5 lakhs to 10 lakhs, as usual, your tax rate is 20%. More than 10 lakhs, your tax rate is 30%. Okay, now for individual who attain the age of 60 years old. Sir, the tax rate for our senior citizens, like our grandfathers, tax rate for the. Sir, this 3 lakh basic exemption limit is not applicable for the non-resident, sir. If the non-resident is 60 years or more, if the non-resident is 20 years or 25 years, the only one basic exemption limit, that basic exemption limit is 2 lakh 50. Okay, tax rate for the what in the age of 80 years or more. Okay, what in the age of 80 years or more. What in the age of 80 years or more. Tax rate for the what in the age of 80 years or more. My question is to 5 lakhs 0, 5 lakhs to 10 lakhs 10%, 5 lakhs 20%, sorry, is a 20%. More than 10 lakhs, your tax rate is 30%. Okay, next. Okay. I have one doubt. I will take one example. Please clarify my doubt. I will take one example. Sir, in the previous year, age of the person is 59 years. In assessment year, age of the person is 60 years. Okay. Sir, in the previous year, age of the person is 59 years. In the assessment year, age of the person is 60 years. In the assessment year, age of the person is 60 years. In the assessment year, age of the person is 60 years. So, what is the basic exemption limit for such person? What is the basic exemption limit? What is the basic exemption limit for such person? What is the basic exemption limit for such person, sir? What is the basic exemption limit? Either 2 lakh 50 or 3 lakh. So please answer to my question. What is the basic exemption limit for the person? Yes, sir. The basic exemption limit is 2,50,000 only because your basic exemption limit is available to the based on the whatever the your age in the previous year, not in the assessment year, sir. The basic exemption limit criteria calculated based on the whatever the age in the previous year, not in the assessment year. Okay, now whatever the age you have in the previous year, based on that you are calculated, sir, not in the assessment year. Okay, not in based on the assessment. So in this example, our basic exemption limit is 2,50,000 only. That's the fine, sir. In this example, our basic exemption limit is 2,50,000 only. After that, okay. After that, okay. My example, sir. Mr. X on 31st March 2024. The age is the 59 years. Okay. But on 1st April, exactly on 1st April 2024, he attained the age of 60 years. So my question is, for the computation of the total income, I consider the age of 59 years or 60 years. For the purpose of computation, for the purpose of taking the basic exemption limit, I am consider the age of 59 years or 60 years. Okay, now I am consider the age of 59 years or 60 years. Sir, you are already said, na sir. For the purpose of computation of basic exemption limit, you have to consider the whatever the age attaining in the previous year only. You need to consider whatever the age you attain in the previous year only. Why again you are asking the question, sir? You are consider the 59 years or 60 years. Sir, for this scenario, especially for this scenario, CBDT clarify one thing, sir. Especially for in this scenario, CBDT clarify that. CBDT give the one circular. What is the circular? What is the circular means? Sir, if any person on 31st March 2023 or 24 at the end of the previous year is the age of either 59 years or 79 years. On 1st April, and exactly on 1st April, he attained the age of either 60 years or 80 years. If you attain the age of 60 years on the 1st April, for the purpose of basic exemption limit, you consider 60 years age, not 59 years. You consider 60 years age, not 59 years. You consider the 50 years age, guys, not 50. Okay. You consider the age of 60 years only, not 59 years. So if any person attain the age of 60 years on 1st April, the basic exemption limit of such person is 3 lakhs, not 2,50,000, guys. The basic exemption limit of such person is 3 lakhs, not 2,50,000, guys. Okay. Sir, if any person exactly on 1st April, he attained the age of 80 years, his basic exemption limit is 5 lakhs. Okay, now, sir, in this example, I clearly convey that on 31st March, his age is only 59 years, but in the 1st April, is the birthday on the 1st April. On the 1st April, he attained the age of 60 years. You consider 60 years only, not 59 years. On the 1st April, on the date of 1st April, he attained the age of 80 years. You consider the 80 years age only. Okay, sir. So in this example, you consider Mr. X basic exemption limit is 3 lakh. That is the CBDT clarification. Okay, now. That's the things of CBDT class. Okay, guys. You can check it. What are the provisions for the things? I'm already said that in case of individual HF, AOP, BY, artificial judicial person. For the individual HF, including non-resident person, up to 2,50,000 no tax rate, up to 2,50,000 5 lakh 5%, 5 lakh to 10 lakh 20%, above 10 lakh 30%, up to 3 lakhs nil, 3 lakhs to 5 lakhs 5%, 5 lakhs to 10 lakhs 20%, above 10 lakhs 30%. Okay, sir, up to 5 lakhs no tax rate, 5 lakhs to 10 lakhs that's 20% and 10 lakhs. This is a circular. If any resident whose the 60th 80th birthday fall on exactly on the 1st April shall be treated as having the completed age of 6 years on the 31st March. We taken as he completed the age of on 31st March. Okay, so hence he is eligible for higher exemption, basic exemption limit 3 lakhs or 5 lakhs. That is the fine. That is the point. So what about the surcharge rate? What about the surcharge? Next condition is the surcharge. That is a super tax. we consider as a super tax. Okay. Surcharge for the individual HOP, AOP, BOI and artificial GST. Sir, if the total income up to 50 lakhs, there is no surcharge, guys. If the total income is up to 50 lakhs, there is no surcharge. If the total income is more than 50 lakhs, up to 1 crore, is a surcharge at 10% on tax. If the total income is more than 1 crore, up to 2 crores, your surcharge is at 2% on the tax. Okay. Sir, if the total income is more than 2 crores, it included the dividend and capital gain is a special income. We can discuss this. Next all about our surcharge. Our surcharge for the individual HEF, AOP, BOI. Okay, now our surcharge for the individual HEF, AOP, BOI. Sir, so many person making mistake while computing the surcharge. Sir. So many persons were confused while computing the surcharge. I will just show how to make you mistaken while calculating the surcharge. Okay. Sir, your total income is up to 50 lakhs. No surcharge. Okay. The total income is up to 50 lakhs. No surcharge. Sir, your total income is 50 lakhs to 1 crore. Your surcharge is the 10% on tax. Your surcharge is the 10% on tax, guys. Your surcharge is the 10% on tax. Okay. Now your total income is the okay, your total income is the okay, sir. Your total income is the 50 lakhs to 1 crore. Your tax rate is the 10% on tax, sir. Your total income is the more than 1 crore up to 2 crores. Non tax, sir. Okay, now your total income is the more than 2 crores. To 5 crores. Your tax rate is a 5%. Okay, 25%. Sir, if your total income is more than 5 crores, sir, the highest tax rate is a 37%. The highest tax rate is a 37%. Your highest tax rate is a 37%. Now I am going to discuss what is the tax rate. Sir, if your total income is more than 5 crores, what is your tax rate, sir? Almost 43%, sir. Almost 43%. So 50% of your income going to the tax only. 50% of income going to the government in the form of tax. All the assessees go to the department. All the assessees go to the finance minister. What is this? What is this? Why we are paying this much of amount to you? We earn more income, we pay the more tax. That's the point. But why again you are charging this much of tax on me? This much of surcharge on me? Okay, this much of surcharge on me. So Nirmala Sita Madam ji make some amendment. We make one amendment, sir. He bifurcated some income as a specified income, sir. She bifurcated some income as a specified income, sir. What is the income? The long-term capital gain under section 311(2)(a), sir. What is the 311(2)(a), sir? Don't ask the question to me. What is the 311(2)(a), sir? The 311(2)(a) means if any equity shares listed in the recognized stock exchange, you paid the STT at the time of purchase, at the time of sale, you will get the concessional tax rate of 10% in excess of 1 lakh. Okay, now. Short term capital gain, 311(a). This is a 15% tax rate, sir. Along with this time you include another long term capital gain 112, that is a 20%, sir. For the dividend also. So this treated as a specified income. What Nirmala Sita Madam to clarify that, the maximum surcharge rate applicable on the tax of specified income is the 15%, guys. I am again repeating my English sentence. Maximum surcharge rate on the tax of specified income is the 15%. I hope that are you able to understand the milestone, sir? Maximum surcharge rate. I am again maximum surcharge rate on the tax of specified income. On the tax of specified income is the 15%, guys. Sir, what are you trying to say to me, sir? I am not able to understand anything, sir. Don't worry, guys. If you are not able to understand anything till now, I can take the one example. I will explain the each and every point. Don't worry. It doesn't matter whether English or Telugu. It's all about the teaching of subject. Okay, guys. I will take that. Sir, for the computation of surcharge, for calculating surcharge, I frame the one logic. I frame the one cheat code. In your words, it is a cheat code. In my point of view, it is a one logic. From my point of view, it is one logic, sir. In my point of view, it is one logic, sir. You follow this chart book for computing the calculation of surcharge. You solve the any question, sir. Any question you solve. We can able to solve the any question, sir. We can able to calculate the surcharge in any situation, sir. First, sir, situation. First, your total income is. What total income is? Your total income is. Sir, your total income is up to 2 crores. Your total income is up to 2 crores. How to compute that? Surcharge. How to charge the surcharge? Okay, now. No need to bifurcate the specified income and other income, sir. It is total income up to 50 lakhs. There is a no surcharge, sir. 50 lakhs to 1 crore, sir. It is the total income is the 50 lakhs to 1 crore. 10% on tax on normal income. Tax on or off. Tax on normal income. Tax of normal income. And same 10% of specified income. Okay. Specified income. Same. Okay. 10% of specified income. Sir, even 1 crore to 2 crores, sir. 15%. 15%. Sir, your total income is 2 crores, sir. Sir, 15% surcharge on normal income. 15% surcharge on specified income. Surcharge on specified income. Okay, now. Okay, sir. This is all about your total income. Sir, in second situation, if your total income is more than 2 crores, but total income is more than 2 crores, your total income is more than 2 crores, your total income is more than 2 crores, what can you do, sir? Your total income is more than 2 crores. Your total income is more than 2 crores. Your total income is more than 2 crores. Okay, now. Your total income is. And we have the two situations. Again, two situations. We have the two situations again. Situation 1. Situation 2. Okay, now. Situation 1. Situation 1. Normal income itself, only normal income itself exceeds the 2 crores. Sir, if the normal income itself exceeds the 2 crores, sir, if the normal income itself exceeds the 2 crores, if a normal income exceeds the 2 crores, itself exceeds the 2 crores, sir, 25% on tax of normal income. Okay. Sir, 15% on specified income, sir. 15% on specified income. Specified income. We get it one example, sir. Okay, sir. 15. Sir, your income is 2 crores 25 lakhs. For example, 2 crores 25 lakhs. 225 lakhs, sir, your income. Your income is 225 lakhs. In 225 lakhs, 220 lakhs is the normal income. 5 lakhs is the specified income. Sir, in the tax on 220 lakhs, we charge a surcharge rate of 25%, sir. But in the 5 lakhs, we charge a 15%. No need to check. The specified income is the less than 2 crores. No need to check, sir. The aggregate criteria is the cross, na? More than 2 crores. Already aggregate criteria is the cross, na, sir, more than 2 crores. Even it is a 1 rupee, we charge a 15%. Okay. Sir, in the situation 2, what is in situation 2, sir? In the situation 2, your normal income is less than 2 crores. Less than 2 crores. So the normal income is the less than 2 crores. Your specified income is not. Your normal income is less than 2 crores. No, sir. In this situation, you charge the N directly 15. There is no question. You charge the directly 15% on both normal income and specified. So what is the logic, sir? Are you trying to mug up that DT? No, sir. Are you trying to? Sir, we check you have the more than 2 crores income. You have a more than 2 crores income. Sir, why it is exceeding the more than, sir? Why it is exceeding the more than, sir? Sir, due to normal income it exceeding the 2 crores, sir. Due to normal income it exceeding. So that's why I am charging the 25% on the normal income, sir. Not due to specified income. Not due to specified income. Not due to specified. But in this situation also, it exceeding the 2 crores. It exceeding the 2 crores. It exceeding the 2 crores. But your normal income is the less than 2 crores. Due to specified income, your income exceeds the 2 crores. Due to specified income, it exceeds the 2 crores. But what the Nirmala Sitharaman says, sir? Sir, maximum surcharge rate applicable on our specified income is 15%. Maximum surcharge rate applicable on our specified income is 15% only. I can solve the one example, sir. I am now going to solve the one example. From such example, you are able to understand the each and every concept. Okay. Sir, okay, sir. I will take this example. Sir, my total income is excluding specified income is 20 lakhs. Okay, my total income is excluding 25 lakhs. And specified income is 45 lakhs. Guys. Total income is a 45 lakhs. Our total income is up to 50 lakhs. There is a no question of surcharge. There is a no question of surcharge. There is a no question of surcharge. Okay, sir. Sir, my total income excluding specified income 45 lakhs. And my specified income is 95 lakhs. Sir, your total income exceeding 50 lakhs but less than 1 crore. What is the surcharge? 10%, sir. 10%. Our condition, sir, your total income is exceeding 2 crores or not? If your total income not exceeding 2 crores, one surcharge rate is applicable for the both income. So in this situation, applicable for the specified income and other income. Okay. Sir, your total income excluding specified income is a 45 lakhs, sir. And specified income is a 70 lakhs, sir. Total is a 1 crore 50 lakhs. Sir, your total income exceeding 1 crore but below the 2 crores. So what is the tax rate, sir? If the tax rate is 15% on the specified income, 15% on the other income. Okay, now. Sir, your total income excluding specified income. Your total income excluding specified income. Your total income excluding specified income is a 45 lakhs. But your specified income is a 300 lakhs. Sir, your total income is a 3 crores 45 lakhs, sir. In this scenario, your total income exceeding 2 crores but below the 5 crores. In this scenario, what can you check, sir? Normal income itself exceeding 2 crores. Normal income, if normal income itself exceeding 2 crores, you charge the 25% on the normal income and you charge the 15% on the balance specified income. Sir, in our example, normal income is a 300 lakhs. Normal income itself exceeding the 2 crores. So, we charge the 25% on the, sir, normal income, sorry. So, your total income is a 3 crores 45 lakhs, sir. And your total income, this is a normal income, sir. We can write it as it's a normal income. This is specified income, specified income. Okay, now. Sir, your income is exceeding 2 crores. Your income is exceeding 2 but below the 5 crores. Sir, in this scenario, what can you check, sir? As per my chart, what can, if the more than 2 crores? In the situation, your normal income is exceeding 2 crores, 25%, sir. Okay, now your normal income is exceeding 2 crores, is a 25%, sir. Itself. And 15%, sir. Otherwise situation 2, if the normal income is less than 2 crores itself, you charge directly 15% on entire income. Sir, in this scenario, your normal income is 45 lakhs, sir. Your normal income itself not exceeding 2 crores limit. And your specified income is a 300 lakhs. Your specified income is a 300 lakhs. So, your total income is a 3 crores 45 lakhs. Your total income is a 3 crores 45 lakhs. Your total income is a 3 crores 45 lakhs. Your total income is a 3 crores 45 lakhs. So, normal income itself exceeds the 2 crores? No, sir. So, what is the, sir? You charge a 15%. Next, sir. Sir, your total income is a 7 crores 60 lakhs, sir. It is exceeding the 5 crores. But normal income itself below the 2 crores. So, you are charging only 15%. You are charging only 15%. You are charging only 15%, guys. You are charging only 15%. You are charging only 15%. Next. Sir, your normal income is a 1 crore 50 lakhs. Your specified income is a 2 crore 50 lakhs. Sir, 4 crores. And your income is exceeding 2 crores but below the 5 crores. Sir, my question is, your total income exceeding the 2 crores, you can check the point. What is your check point, sir? Your normal income itself exceeding 2 crores. Sir, my normal income is below the 2 crores only. In this, sir, if your normal income is below the 2 crores, what is the tax rate, sir? And specified tax rate is 15%, sir, on entire income. 15%. Sir, next. Your normal income is a 1 crore 50 lakhs. Your specified income is a 5 crores. Completely 6 crore 50 lakhs. Sir, your total income is exceeding 2 crores. Okay, that's point. You have the two situations. Sir. Normal income itself exceeding the 2 crores. If your normal income itself exceeding the 2 crores, highest tax surcharge rate charge on the normal income, 15% charge on the specified income. But in this scenario, your normal income itself below the 2 crores. So in the second situation, your normal income below the 2 crores, what is the surcharge rate, sir? If the normal income is below the 2 crores, what is the surcharge rate, sir? What is the surcharge rate? Sir, surcharge rate is 15% on entire income. 15 or 15. Okay. Sir, your normal income is a 300 crores. Sir, 300 lakhs. Your specified income is a 100 lakhs. Total for that. Sir, follow. Sir, your total income is exceeding 2 crores or not? Yes, sir, my total income is exceeding 2 crores. Sir, my normal income itself exceeding 3 crores. 2 crores. Yes, sir, your normal income is exceeding itself 2 crores. So, what is the surcharge rate on the normal income, sir? That is the 25%. That is the 25%. So, what is the surcharge rate on the balance dividend, special income? It is a 15%, sir. So, I am explaining that your normal income itself exceeding the 2 crores, you charge the highest surcharge tax rate on the normal income. But whatever the balance income in the specified income, even 1 rupee in the balance specified income, you are required to charge the 15%. You are required to charge the 15% surcharge rate. Okay. Sir, your normal income is a 300 lakhs. 3 crores. Your specified income is a 2 crores 50 lakhs. Your specified income is a 2 crores 50 lakhs. Sir, your total income is a 5 crores 50 lakhs, sir. Your total income is a 5 crores 50 lakhs. Your total income is exceeding 2 crores or not? Yes, sir, my total income is exceeding 2 crores. Your normal income itself exceeding 2 crores? Yes, sir, my normal income itself exceeding 2 crores. What is the surcharge rate, sir? It's a 3 crores but below the 5 crores. It's a 15%, sir. 15%. Okay, it is a 15%. So, what is the tax rate on the, sorry, it is a 25%. What is the tax rate on the specified income? It is all about the 15%. Sir, your normal income is a 6 crores. Your specified income is a 1 crore. Total 7 crores. Sir, your total income is exceeding 2 crores or not? Sir, my total income is exceeding 5 crores. Sir. So, my surcharge rate is a 37%. But how to charge? Sir, your normal income itself exceeding 5 crores. Right? Normal income itself exceeding the 5 crores. So, your surcharge rate is a 37%. Sir. Whatever the remaining specified income, you charge the 15%. This is the way to calculate the entire thing, sir. Okay. So now I am going to take the one example. Now I am going to discuss the one example. The computation, how to compute the surcharge. Example number 1, sir. Sir, Mr. J is a resident. Is the age of 35 years. Okay, now. His income detail for the previous is the 23-24 as follows. Sir, your capital gain under section 100 lakhs. And your capital gain 112 is a 60 lakhs. Sir, your capital 1 2 lakhs and other income. Sir, these are all the three. These three treated as a specified income. These three treated as a specified income. Specified income. This treated as a specified income. Okay, now this treated as a specified income. So, what is the other income, sir? That is a 100 lakhs. Other income only itself 1 crore. Normal income. This treated as a normal income. This treated as a normal income. Normal income. Okay, guys. Normal income. Normal income. Okay, now. Sir, long-term capital gain under section 112A. Sir, how much? In excess of 1 lakh, it is a 10%, sir. It is 100 lakhs, 90 lakhs, 10% is 1 lakh and 99 lakhs, 10% is a 9 lakh 90,000, sir, tax rate. Sir, 112, 20%, sir, directly. 60 lakhs, 20%, 12 lakhs. Sir, capital gain 111A, 2 lakh, 200 lakhs, sir. 200 lakhs means 15%, sir, directly. 30 lakhs. Sir, all about the 100 lakhs tax. 100 lakhs is a, sir, the slab rate, it is applicable with the tab up to 2 lakh 50, there is a nil, 2 lakh 50 to 5 lakh, 5%, 12,500, 5 lakh to 10 lakh, 20%, 1 lakh, 12,500, more than 10 lakh, 30%, sir. It is 100 lakh, more than 10 lakh means 90 lakh, 90 lakhs into 30%, 27 lakhs, 27 lakhs plus 1 lakh 12,500, it is 28 lakhs 12,500, sir. That is the way to calculate the 28 lakhs. This is the total tax. This is the total tax. This is the way to total compute the tax. Sir, how to compute the tax? How to compute the tax? Okay, now we can calculate how to compute the tax. Sir, very simple, sir. How to compute the tax? Sir, what is your total income? It is the 4 crore 60 lakhs, sir. It is exceeding 2 crores, sir, now. Total income is the 4 crore 60 lakhs. 60 lakhs. Okay. 4 crore 60 lakhs. Okay, now. Sir, in the situation, what is your normal income? Your normal income scenario is only 1 crore 100 lakhs. So, it is fall under the criteria 2. It is fall under the criteria 2. And your normal income is itself below the 2 crores. Sir, if your normal income is itself below the 2 crores, what is the surcharge rate is applicable, sir? Your surcharge rate is simply 15%. Your surcharge rate is 15% on tax. They charge the completely 15% on surcharge. That is it. Then after that, education is then you get it. So next, for example question. Very important, very important. Okay. Sir, long-term capital gain tax 2 lakhs. This is 2 lakhs. This income, this income, this income. This 4 income we treat as a specified income. This 4 income we treat as a specified income for the surcharge purpose. For the surcharge purpose. So how much is the total income? So 2 lakhs, 1 lakh, 3 lakhs, 3 lakhs plus 3 lakhs, 6 lakhs, 6 lakhs plus 13 lakhs. How much, sir? 19 lakhs. Your specified income only 19 lakhs itself. Your specified income only 19 lakhs itself. Okay. Your specified income only 19 lakhs itself. Okay, sir. What is the tax? Sir, 111A in excess of 1 lakh tax rate is, sir. There's a 2 lakhs in excess of 1 lakh 10,000, sir, tax. 111 to 20%, sir, directly 2 lakhs, sir. 111A 15%, sir, 45,000. This is the tax rate. This is the tax. Sir, what is it? Balance income, sir, 3,34,000 plus balance net total income 3,34,000 plus 13 lakhs. How much, sir? 3,47 lakhs. 3,47 lakhs. 3,47 lakhs. 3,47 lakhs. 3,47 lakhs. How to compute the tax? How to compute the tax? How to compute the tax? $3,47,000. How to compute the tax for this? How to compute the tax? How to compute the tax? Sir, 3,47,000, sir. 12,500 plus 1 lakh. Sir, in excess of 3 crores 47 lakhs. In excess of 10 lakhs, what is the amount is remained? 3 crores 47 lakhs. 3 crores 47 lakhs. 3 crores 40 minus 10 lakhs into 30%. 1 crore 11 lakhs. 1 crore 11 lakhs. Your total income is a 1 crore 11 lakhs. So 1 crore 11 total tax is 12,500 plus 1 lakh plus 1 crore 11 lakhs. 12,500 plus 1 lakh plus 1 crore 11 lakhs. 3 crores 47 lakhs minus 10 lakhs into 30% plus 1 lakh up to 5 lakhs. Total is the 1 crore 2022 500. Okay, 1 crore 2022 500. Okay, now 1 crore 2022 500. Total income is the 1 crore 27 lakh. Total tax is the 1 crore. Sir, how to compute the tax? How to compute the tax? How to compute? Very simple, sir. How much is your total income, sir? How much is your total income? 3 crores 53 lakhs. 3 crores 53 lakhs. It is exceeding 2 crores or not? It is exceeding 2 crores. We fall under second. Your total income is 3 crores 53 lakhs. In this, how much is the normal income, sir? This how much is a normal income? This how much is a normal income? Normal income is a 3 crores 34 lakhs. 3 crores 34 lakhs. Okay, now 3 crores 34 lakhs. In the 3 crores 53 lakhs, the 3 crores 34 lakhs is the normal income. 19 lakhs is the 19 lakhs is the 19 lakhs is the specified income. So in this scenario, normal income itself exceeding the 2 crores, itself exceeded the 2 crores. So 25% surcharge rate is applicable on the normal income and the 15% is applicable on the specified income. 15% tax rate is applicable on the specified income. So how to compute? Our total tax, take the total tax. Our total tax 1 crore 29 lakhs 7,500. Sir, in this, how much of tax related to the specified income? In this, how much of tax related to the specified income? In this, how much of tax related to the normal income? In this, how much of tax related to the normal income? Okay, in this, how much of tax related to the specified income? In this, how much of tax related to the specified income? Normal income. Sir. Very simple, sir. In the normal income, 10,000 plus 20,000 plus 45,000 is a specified income. Sorry, 10,000 plus 20,000, 45,000. 10,000 plus 20,000 plus 45,000. It is just 75,000. Okay, na guys. It is all about the 75,000. It's a 75,000. Okay, now it is a 70. It's a 75,000. It's a 75,000. Okay, it's a 75,000. It's a 75,000. It's a 75,000. It's a 75,000. Okay, na guys. It is a 75,000. 75,000. 75,000. Plus some other income is there, sir. Dividend tax. Dividend. How much? What is the tax on the dividend? Okay. So plus what is the tax on the dividends? The dividends also your specified income or not? Dividends is also your specified income. What is the tax on the your specified income? So what is the tax on your specified income, sir? And we are going to discuss how to compute. This is equal to 3 crores 47 lakhs income, but my dividend income is 13 lakhs. Just proportionate. 13 lakhs into by 3 crores 47 lakhs into 1 crore. Fine. Okay. That is 9,000. 38,297. 38,297. So you can add it in this dividend. That is 2976. 38,296. What is your total specified income? 25,000 plus 38,296 plus 75,000. 45,000. 45,796. 45,196. That is tax on specified income. That is the tax on specified income. Okay. So what is the tax on normal income? What is the tax on normal income? Total 1 crore 29 lakhs 75,000 minus 45, 7, 7. $98, 39, 524. 98, 39, 524. Okay. Sir, in this we are apply the 15% surcharge rate directly. Surcharge and spreading. The rate of 15%. 15% on 45, 79, 76. Surcharge 60. It self exceeding the 2 crores, self exceeding the 2 crores. So 25% on 25% on 5. Okay. And our tax is 10,297,000 plus surcharge is 45,7976 into 15%. Let's try to rounding down. 68 plus 98,39,524 into 25, 24, okay. That is all about your tax. Tax. Rounding off it and education and everything. So test yourself, sir. This is a test yourself. There is a homework for you. Please do the homework. That's it, sir. That is all about it's all about your how to compute the surcharge. Next marginal release, sir. Marginal release, sir. Marginal release. Okay. Okay. Next type. Next, I am explaining the concept. I am going to explain the concept of marginal release. Marginal release. Sir, what is the marginal release? You can read, sir. There is any little bit increasing the income over the 50 lakhs or 1 crore or 2 crores or 1 crore or 10 crores in case of the company and surcharge. Before going to explain the marginal relief, I am going to explain what is the tax rates of the company. What is the tax rates of the company? What is the tax rates of the company? Sir, it's for the domestic company, the tax rate is the 25 crores, 25%, sir. If the total turnover gross is the previous year 21%. Why 21%? Why 21%? Company tax rate. Company tax rate, company tax rate, company tax rate. For the domestic company, Foreign company. Sir, foreign company tax rate is a 40%. Oh, no. Okay, now for the domestic company there is a 2 rate again. For the domestic company. Sir, is the turnover of the previous year. If the turnover of the previous year 21-22 is up to 400 crores. Yes, sir. If the turnover of the previous year turnover is up to 400 crores, yes. Your tax rate is 25%, sir. Otherwise, 30%. Sir, why previous year 21-22? Sir, we are in the previous year of 23-24. So, we are trying to take the turnover of the at least 22-23 now. For putting any limit criteria and everything. Why Indian government take the previous year 21-22? Why Indian government take the previous year 21-21? Sir? To avoid the manipulation of the books of accounts. Sir. To avoid the manipulation of books of accounts. What happens, sir? Sir, we put the budget in the 1st February 2020. Okay, now in the 1st February 2023. So we can simply say that if your turnover of the previous year 22-23, sir, if the previous year 23-24 is up to 400 crores, your tax rate is 25%, more than 4, otherwise 30%. What the SSC do, sir? What the SSC do, sir? What the SSC do, sir? What the SSC do? We have a 1 month period. We have a 1 month grace period. Still, the books of accounts are not closed. At the time of announcing the finance bill, the books of accounts are not closed. At the time of announcing the finance bill, the books of accounts was not closed. At the time of announcing of finance, books of accounts closed. So, SSC manipulated the books. SSC manipulated the books. And we use the turnover up to 400 crores and save the 5% tax. Okay. So only because of this reason, government take the previous year turnover of 21-22. Because, sir, on 1st February, already books of accounts of the 21-22 already closed, sir. Is already closed and signed by the auditor and signed by the shareholders. Everyone signed by the directors and everyone, sir. And it is given to the shareholders. Everything is happened. So there is no chance to manipulate the books of accounts. So we have a one doubt. I know. The students they raise the one doubt. Okay, sir. Next year they reduce up to the 400 crores. In the 25-26 finance assessment year, they save the tax. We don't know, sir. We don't know. The Nirmala Sitaram Madam, who are the next finance minister, they put the limit of the 400 crores or 500 crores or 300 crores. We don't know, sir. They put the limit of 500 crores or 200 crores. Okay, now that is the reason they take the previous year 21-22. Okay, sir. That is all about the tax rate. It's all about the tax rate there. Okay. So what is the surcharge? Sir, up to 1 crore, there is no surcharge, sir. 1 crore to 2 crore, 7%. More than 1 crore, so 1 crore to 10 crore. Sorry. Sir, up to more than 1 crore, up to 10 crore, the surcharge is a 7%, sir. For the foreign company, it is a 2%. Sir, more than 10 crores, it is a 12%. Foreign company is a 5%. Sir, what is the tax rate of the firm and LLP? It is a 30%, sir. What is the surcharge, sir? Sir, up to 1 crore, there is a no surcharge. More than 1 crore, only one surcharge rate, that is a 12%. Okay, now. Sir, in case of cooperative society, what is the tax rate? Sir, in the cooperative society, they put it up to 10,000, 10%, sir. 10,000 to 20,000, 20%, sir. More than 20,000 total, 30%, sir. Surcharge same as domestic company, sir. And whatever the 7% whatever the 7%, 12% criteria, na, same thing is applicable to this cooperative society also. And headline education cess is very common, sir. That is all about the basic tax rate, sir. Sir, your tax will always rounding up to the 10, sir. Always rounding up to the, how to rounding up? Sir, your tax is 25,000 to 25 now. How to rounding up to 25,000 to 30. Always rounding up the 10. Sir, your tax is 25,000 to 21. You're going to rounding up the 25,000 to 20. Okay, sir. This way you have to rounding out always to the nearest to the 10. Okay, sir. So the last concept in the basic concept. Sir, when you discuss about the special tax rates, and sir, I'm taking a special class and I'm taking some other class on the special tax rates after completion of capital gain, after completion of income from other sources, after completion of PGBP. I will take the class on the special tax rates. Don't worry, guys. Further. Okay. Okay, guys. Sir, example 2. If the total income of the three limited is everything is concerned, what is the marginal release? When the marginal release is from? Then the marginal release. Sir, go with this example. Sir, if the SSC is the company in this situation, the Indian income, the total income of the 1 crore 1 lakh. Okay, now SSC is the company. The total income of the company is 1 crore 1 lakh. The total income is 1 crore. $1 crore 1 lakh. Okay. What is the tax? In 1 crore 1 lakh 25%, sir. $25 lakhs 25,000 plus surcharge 25 lakhs 25,000 into 25 lakhs 25,000 into or multiplied into. What is the surcharge rate? It is exceeding 7%. 176 750. Plus education cess the 4%. Your total income is 1750 plus 10807. That is your total. Let's happen, sir. Okay, now my question is, sir, due to this 1 lakh, you pay this extra tax of 1 lakh 76. Due to this in excess of only such 1 lakh, you pay the tax of 1 lakh 76,000. Sir, when the marginal relief come into the existence, when the marginal relief, sir, whatever the surcharge you are paid on the tax, it is exceeding your excess income. It is exceeding your excess income, sir. In this scenario, whatever the surcharge, sir, paid on your total tax, 1 lakh 76. It is exceeding your excess income. What is your excess income, sir? 1 lakh. Then surcharge come into the picture. What is the surcharge? How to compute surcharge? Sir, it come into the margin. How to compute it? So, what is the margin? Very simple, sir. Sir, your tax is restricted to the 1 crore. Restricted up to the 1 crore. $25 lakhs plus no surcharge, education cess. No education cess. What is your net total income? Less 1 crore. Sir, you give the whatever the excess income earned to the government. Whatever the excess income earned by the SC is given to the government. Please take the money. Please take such money. I don't need such extra money. Please take it. I don't want to pay any tax on such extra money. You take it. So give the such extra money to the government. What is it? 26 lakhs. Okay. how much of marginal you are getting? Sir, required to pay 17,150. But due to your sacrificing of your extra money, you are going to pay only 26 lakhs. How much? Sir, this the difference between this amount and this amount treated as a marginal liability. 1010. It's the difference between the sum and the sum. This is all about the marginal liability. Take this 26 lakhs as a base plus education stress that's your total. Okay guys, this is the end of view. You can check it the one is what is the marginal liability. This is the marginal liability. Okay, you can just read that. I given a 5 minutes of time. Go it, read it. What is the marginal liability? Just go it. What is what is what is what. So don't ask where is your material. So I am preparing my material. It is given to end of this classes. Okay, sir. The materials is available in the market in the June month. At the first week of the June month. Don't worry, guys. I'm ready the beautiful material which is useful for the both CA final and CMA final. Okay, sir. This is all about the calculation, guys. This is all about the calculation. I hope that are you able to understand my language and concept. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you. If you want to purchase my classes, please call the below numbers. Please contact the below numbers. The price is only 3,500, guys. It's not a 14,000. It is a 3,500. There is no compromise on the quality. There is no compromise on the quality. If any grammatical mistakes happen during the classes, please ignore it. Okay, guys. I will try to bring these classes to help the more students, not only Telugu students, to help the more South Indian students. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, guys.